What's up, everyone? We got a scent to review today. I got this from the clearance items at Walmart. We got Stetson Spirit. We're gonna unbox it and smell it. I've never smelled it before, so yeah. It was $15, as you see. Okay, so it's clear. Nice. We're gonna give it a spray. See if the atomizer is pretty good. Not bad. Okay, so it's super fresh for its Stetson fragrance. Citrusy on the top notes. So it's a cologne spray. Has the Stetson feel to it. With the signature Stetson feel. Honestly, it's not bad. I'd rate it a 7 out of 10. It's nice. I like how it's so clear looking. Honestly, it's really nice. Wouldn't be too bad for the summer. It's fresh. It's really light, so it wouldn't be too cloying for everyone. This is a good work scent, in my opinion. Honestly, not bad at all. Amazing looking bottle. Definitely check this out. It's only $15 is what I got it for at Walmart. I think it's $25 if you just regularly pick it up and not for clearance, but clearance is $15. So I definitely let y'all pick that up. See y'all later.